Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 2300 plus elements like PNG or Victor, and here is just JPG file for preview like a thumbnail. And you see the properties of this data 1.11 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you so you can download easily in low speed or using low data. So here is JPG preview or details for whole data. Here is PNG. Oh, here is 43 folders of PNG and with different icons or drawings, cafe menu, and fishing, pitch, taxi driver, divider, and voucher, Asian tourist, business icon, summer, and wow, summer and activities. So here is old styles, movies, amazing, and ribbon and font. Here is alphabets, Will's flower. You can create in you can make in color or like curtains overlay. Here is animals, you can use in logos. Here is cat and dog, line border, and here is arrow. Wow, hearts, frames. Here is many files for use everywhere like a graphic designer or photographer. So here is Victor files for Adobe Illustrators in full high definition. You see here is 14 voucher card. So I drag this file to Photoshop. This file is for Adobe Illustrator, but I tell you just, or I wanna show you the resolutions of these files, realizing files, and you see you can import or you can write your any text. So I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.